Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're back in my office. If you missed parts 1 and 2, I did a total makeover of my freelance office and crafting space. I'll be sure to link those videos in the description below. Before this makeover, I hated coming into this room, let alone working in here all day long. But I didn't have a big budget to work with. I've been asked a lot of questions about how much this cost, so today I'm going to go through everything and tell you exactly how much I spent on the entire makeover. A lot of the things I used in this space were things that I already had in other parts of our home. Something to keep in mind is that right before we bought this house last year, I did the whole Marie Kondo KonMari method thing and cleared out a lot of my belongings that didn't spark joy. So coming into this space, I already had downsized a lot, and I knew that there were things that I still needed or just wanted to replace and was kind of just waiting on those things. So I'm going to go through the list of items that were new for this makeover. Not really the stuff I had from before I started filming this video. But if you have any questions about where something came from that I didn't touch on, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. At the end of the video, I'll introduce you to our next project that will be finished very soon and give you the grand total of how much everything cost. So as promised, I told y'all that I would give you a sneak peek on what our next project is, which we're currently in the middle of. And if you leave the office, I'm currently standing in the kitchen, and you come into this space here, this is the entryway to our backyard, and it's also our laundry room. I'm gonna do air quotes there because this is not a laundry room. We don't have room for a laundry room. It's a nook, if anything. So you'll see in the next video about this space, but we do have a stacking washer dryer. We're in the middle of this renovation right now, but this room is just not working for us. There's also a bathroom off to the right-hand side here, which will come right after this renovation of this room, and then I'll move into that bathroom right there. But Chris has actually already switched the direction of this door. This door swung? This door swung inward and barely cleared the washer and dryer. So you can imagine with 2 dogs itching to get outside, how stressful that was. And you'll see that in my next video. I took video before we started that switch, but he was able to make that door swing outward instead. It doesn't snow here, so we're not too concerned about, snow pile up on the outside or anything. But yeah, so just that alone made this room feel a million times bigger. But my storage organization is not there. Everything needs to be repainted. So this is what I'm currently working on. This is what you can look forward to. Small laundry nook organization is coming soon. So hopefully we can get this room tackled, and then after that room, I will move on to this smaller of our 2 guest bathrooms, or I guess our bathrooms. The smaller bathroom is back here, and I'm going to be doing that one after I do this laundry room. So looking forward to getting this space really spick and span and clean and minimal, and just only having the things that I really need in here. The light fixture is also very outdated. I mean, let me see if I can turn off the light so you can kind of see how nasty and gross it is. I don't know, it's not great to look at. So we're gonna change all of this around and just make it a great space for us, because we have to walk through this room all the time, and it stresses us out. So yep, that's what's gonna be next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some ideas of ways you can stick to a budget but still have a nice and new space. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and be sure to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.